So how do you trade during extended hours? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky here with TechNut Solutions, and you might be asking this question either because you've seen me or other people be able to trade before the market opens or after the market closes, and that is called extended hours. I really hope that you learned something new in this video, and if you do, please make sure you consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't done so already. And I do want to encourage you, even if you're an absolute beginner, I do respond to all of my direct messages via Discord. So if you still have questions after this video, I encourage you click the first link in the description down below and shoot me a DM via Discord, or a third link and shoot me a DM via Instagram. Let me go ahead and let's just jump right into it. Why overcomplicate it? So one of the things that happened today, I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but this video is recorded on Thursday. So Apple and Amazon reported earnings. And a lot of people that I saw in the live chat were asking, Ricky, how do you buy and sell and trade during extended hours? It's literally super simple. So first off, I'm using the WEBULL trading application. You don't have to, but if you don't use this, but you like the setup that I have here, you can download it, and they do have a sign up bonus right now, and it's the fifth link in the description down below, meaning that if you sign up using my link and deposit at least $5, you'll earn up to 12 free shares with your initial deposit. So once you have your trading platform set up just like this, let's go ahead and start buying and selling. So if I wanted to buy TQQQ, which is a NASDAQ ETF that's triple leveraged, during normal trading hours, I have the ability to buy with a market order, which means that whatever the market price is at. During extended hours, I have to turn on or change my order type to limit order. So with limit order, I'm able to control, and I need to control, the price point in which I am buying at. So you can see right here, down here, there's the bid and there's the ask. The bid is at 42.07. The ask is at 42.09, or it keeps changing, right? 42.08, 42.09. So if I want to buy right now, I need to buy as close to the ask as possible, meaning that is where people are asking to sell. So if I want to buy because I need to get entered for whatever the case might be, I need to go with the limit order. Then you just select your quantity. So let's say that I just want to buy one share. You enter your shares that you want to enter. You enter the limit price. So if I want to get filled right now, it's going to have to be like at 42.11. You can see the price point there, 42.11. Literally the only thing that you have to do is then turn on EXT hours. Turn on EXT. Yes. Also, if you don't see any of this area, if your screen just turns off because it looks like this, then that means you don't have your extended hours turned on, and all you literally have to do is, you see this little button right here? Turn it on. That's all. It's super simple, literally super simple. So when you click EXT, I can click buy TQQQ, and it will give me the option to buy TQQQ with a limit price at 42.11. It will be time enforced today, and it's during extended hours. I can click buy, and it can initiate it. The same thing when it comes down to selling. As you can see, I have one share available. I can choose to I can choose to sell that one share, and all I have to do is control the price, make sure that it's set up as a limit order, and then turn on EXT. I'm also able to even short after market hours. That was something that I just did because Amazon was very overbought. I saw some pullback potential, and I decided to open up a short position. It's no different with shorting. As long as there's shares available to short, limit order, quantity available, limit price, and then I turn on EXT. The secret is turning on extended hours on your charts so you can see where the price is at right now, and then on top of that, then turning on extended hours on your actual trade bar to be able to initiate that trade during extended hours. And that is literally just it. Even on mobile, all you have to do is it gives you the option during normal market hours or during extended hours. So you just have to make sure that you turn on extended hours, and therefore that should allow you and give you the ability to be able to trade during extended hours. For those that are not aware, and again, every platform is different based off of when they allow you to trade, but I'm able to initiate trades 4 hours before the market opens, and that's on WEBULL, and even 4 hours after the market closes, and that's on WEBULL. So again, if you like the WEBULL trading application and everything that I showed you today, Don't forget, again, they do have a sign up bonus. It's the 5th link in the description down below. If you sign up and your initial deposit is at least $5, you can earn up to 12 free shares. So if you have any questions about what we just talked about today, feel free to shoot me a direct message. And I also want to remind you, I do trade live every single morning with the LPP team, and they are the only team that I work with on a closer basis and that get to watch me trade live every single day. And that's the 2nd link in the description down below if you want to take 2 minutes and learn more about it. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.